PC or laptop? So comment down below, and kung laptop yung preferred nyo naman, then ito yung recommended ko. This is the Gigabyte Aorus 16X gaming laptop. Sa specs pa lang panalo na. It's packing an Intel Core i7-14650HX, Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070, and a 16 gigs of RAM. Not gonna lie, this is hands down one of the best performing laptop na na-try ko so far. And tignan nyo yung FPS ko sa Valorant and Cyberpunk. Napakataas niyan for a laptop. Mag-enjoy ka rin sa paglalaro ng games with 2K resolution, 16 inches 165Hz display to give you a much smoother and crispier display when playing games, and also for productivity purposes. Speaking of productivity, kaya niya rin i-run talaga yung mga high demanding softwares na pwede mong i-download sa laptop since medyo mataas talaga yung specs niya. And good news, hindi ka na rin mag-worry sa overheating. Kasi equipped na rin to ng Gigabyte WindForce Infinity technology to cool your laptop with noise-free immersion. At di ka rin mabibitin sa storage kasi meron na tong 1TB NVMe SSD. Plus PCIe Gen 4 pa. Kaya mas mabilis at mas maraming software kang mararan dito sa laptop na to. When it comes to I/O, kompleto na rin. Meron tong USB ports, USB Type-C, LAN cable ports, HDMI, etc. And the good thing about this laptop is capable na siya with AI technologies to help you maximize the performance and level up your experience. Now, is this the best Gigabyte laptop? Since i-release na rin nila ang pinaka-latest nilang Aorus Master 16 na merong latest CPU and RTX 5000 series na rin yung graphics card. And kung interested kayo na i-review ko yon, then i-comment nyo lang dyan para mas marami pa kayong malalaman about this laptop. And that's it guys.